We've done a lot of work over the past 30 years working on Henipaviruses, which are a group of paramyxoviruses that cause an often fatal human disease. They're a problem in Australia with Hendra and across Southeast Asia with Nipah virus. So what our challenge is really can we develop a broad spectrum antiviral that can be used to treat these patients. So what we're doing is working with Johan Net at the University of Leuven in Belgium. He's been doing a large-scale antiviral screen against a non-pathogenic Henipavirus, CSIRO. And what we're going to do is take some of the strong hits they have from their screen and test them against the broader range of Henipaviruses, which we have in our collection at CSIRO. And as part of this project, apart from screening through the collection we currently hold, we're also going to increase that collection by creating some of those viruses that are just sequences at present, turn them into fully infectious viruses so we can actually look at the potential for these antivirals to be used to treat them if they were to emerge to the human population. So ultimate success to this project would be at least one, if not multiple therapeutics that could be used in humans. So when one of these viruses, such as Nipah, spills over into the population somewhere in Southeast Asia, these antivirals can be rapidly deployed, used to treat infected people, but also potentially used prophylactically in exposed cases. So often when there's an infected person, a large number of people are also under surveillance for the potential being infected, and these antivirals would hopefully be able to be used in those people as well to prevent any infection at all. This project really, I guess, what really drives me to do the work is Hendra. So Hendra is the Australian Henipavirus, has caused significant numbers of deaths in horses in Australia over the past 30 years, with about 120 horses dying from the disease, and also spilled over from horses into people. And we really don't like to see people being exposed to these viruses. In the case of Hendra, it's often been vets that have been exposed just in their day-to-day work. And really be good to have something we can use for these people if they are exposed, particularly the vets, to stop them leaving the industry and not working with horses anymore. So by having either a vaccine or therapeutic that could be used to treat or prevent infection in those people is really important.